Hi, I'm Nikki and I'm on a campsite in Parnu in Estonia.
Yeah, and this is Ukrainian vodka. Look at it as supporting the cause.
And it's Friday night.
Slava the Ukraine. Today, not a lot happened. Well, it sort of did. One, we nearly got stuck.
We did. Slightly sticky moments.
We tried to get out of here about 3 times and it was quite a steep bank. Doesn't look like it, but it was. Also very soft sand and a bit of gravel.
There's some quite big dips in there.
Let's try some traction control, shall we?
Is it any better over there? We've got less of a dip to get on the road. On that
Always good that I have the motorhome chef to advise me.
That edge then.
Let's engage traction control.
And then, as if by magic, off me and the cheeky git went.
Off onto Estonia's finest roads.
I think this road's been freshly gravelled.
Obligatory Niesman and Bischoff photo opportunity, of course. Number 2. You see this? Yeah, I never. It wasn't my fault.
Yeah, right.
Where are we?
We're at Kivastu.
What just happened?
We bought a ferry ticket.
Yeah.
And then the sign said go.
Yards, take the ferry.
Yeah.
And what happened when you went?
She hadn't lifted the barrier up.
So what happened?
I drove straight through the barrier.
Oh dear.
But fortunately, it doesn't look like there's any damage. There's more damage to a plastic barrier than what there is to my van. And anyhow, eventually, we have to deal with this dick.
You're doing the speed limit, but the coach needs to go past into oncoming traffic.
Genuinely, I believe if I didn't put the brakes on, he would have been into the car that was oncoming or into the side of us.
Yeah.
And you know what the annoying thing is? Tell me what the annoying thing is. What annoyed me more?
He overtook and then drove slower than we had been driving.
FFS. Why do that? If you want to overtake me whilst I'm
Doing the speed limit.
doing a speed limit with my lovely wife, touring around in a world of our own, at least off you F. Do you know what I'm saying? Don't overtake and then hold me up. Jesus Lord. And then we arrived at Parnu.
Yes. A beach city, very popular in the summer for the Estonian tourists and possibly other nationalities.
Yeah, we'll do a bit about the campsite tomorrow, have a look around the facilities. They're worth a watch.
Maybe not.
But all you want when you arrive is somewhere friendly, which sort of brings us on to our little monologue tonight. 5 nights away we've had without being on a campsite. Okay.
And we've stayed in some beautiful spots.
Yeah, we have. We've stayed in some lovely spots. They've been gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. But we don't think we can do more than 5 nights without a campsite.
No, we think 3 or 4 is probably our max.
Although when we've got here, we have showered in the van.
Yeah.
Because we have great facilities. just feel that we need to plant somewhere.
Yeah, sometimes we just need to feel a bit grounded.
Yeah, we want to ground out where we are and clean the van, have a good wash.
And not worry that anybody's going to knock on the door and say you can't park here and...
Can't park that there, mate. Or, if you fancy a watch, Motorhome Mavericks. Knock on the door in Switzerland.
They had the knock.
They had the knock. That's well worth a look. But, yeah, 5 days. If we were living this lifestyle more than 3 or 4 months, could we do more than 5 days?
I don't think so. I think the time of year makes a difference. Everything gets a bit muckier because everything outside is a bit muckier and some of that muck comes inside. But nevertheless, I just think it's nice to be on a campsite every few nights.
Yeah, I agree. And it might be different if you're somewhere like in a warmer climate, I suppose.
Yeah.
But I'm bloody freezing. Outside is Baltic. Oh, hold on.
It is the Baltic.
It is the Baltic. And I know why they call it Baltic. It's freezing. So have a good night tonight. Let us know what you think. If you think you can do weeks and months and whatever, living off-grid living. Yeah.
Living the dream.
Living the dream. Adventure before dementia. Whatever it is you choose to do. Drop it in the comments whether you can do more. How many nights do you do? How many nights? We're just interested.
Yeah.
Have a good night. Enjoy your Friday. Sorry you can't have any of the Ukrainian vodka, but
don't think we'll be taking much of that back to the UK with us.
We'll do our best. Catch up soon. See you tomorrow.